Finds, and you can read the stories of the nonprofits and where the money goes when you shop the thrift store. And we are here in Clay County at the Habitat for Humanity at the thrift store. Yes, and I have my fabulous find Cindy here, who is the store manager. And Cindy, how can they find you?
We are in Middleburg, and the address is 1717 Blanding Boulevard, and we are across the street from Lowe's and Home Depot.
Oh, great place.
I know, right?
Your prices are much better.
Right?
And the money goes back to local communities too. So
Yeah.
we also have their story posted as to how Habitat operates. And there's a lot of detail that I didn't understand that I'm totally amazed with. But thrifters, you can go to fabulousfindsad.com, read the story. You can also watch a video that we did behind the scenes and on the radio explaining what Habitat is all about. And I just love you guys. And the store here is amazing.
Thank you. It's great when you can get up in the morning and come to work and know that your job means something. And every time someone donates and then turns around and buys something, that money goes back into Clay County, and to know that we're helping people get in homes. So it's a great feeling to come to work to have that mission behind you.
You like your job.
I love my job.